Now you can see it filter and search like right Adam, mm, John, Jan,
Hello
right.
friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will teach you how to make a search feature using JavaScript. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So without delay, let's jump into the code. First of all, let's create index.html page. Index.html. Write basic boilerplate here. We can change title as search. Now let's make a main tag and let's link CSS here. Link CSS and click Ctrl plus this. It will create file here. Write boilerplate of CSS like margin 0 and padding 0, box sizing border box, and let's keep font family this, and come again here, select this main class, write dot main and give width of 100% and height of 100 px. Let's keep minimum height of 100 px, and let's keep background color blue. Let's check this, come in HTML file, and let's open it with live server. Here this is our page. Let's continue our project, and first of all let's make a search. Let's make dot search. Insert this right input tag, input type is equal to text, and write placeholder search. Here you can see this type of output. Just come back here and select this search class. Just come here and write search, give search, give width of 250 pixel and height of 40 pixel, and keep border 2px solid gray. Here this type of result, come and give let's 300 pixel. Now keep border radius 7 pixel, border radius 10 pixel, and come here inside dot search input field and give width of 100% and height of 100%, and give outline none, and give border also none. Let's come and see. You get this result. You can come here and give font size 15 pixel, and inside the search give overflow hidden. Let's change border color here. Let's take blue in this color code. Let's choose another this. Let's continue with this and come here, the padding of 10 pixel. Here we get this. Let's come here and in the main tag write display flag and give justify for this center. We get this. Let's give padding top of 50 pixel. You can see this, and let's write this is okay. Now after this, let's make boxes. Let's write dot box container dot add container. Inside this we have tag let's make a card. In this we have h2 like title. Let's give and padding, paragraph, and give a random text here like lorem. Let's wrap and come here and create button and just write learn more. Let's see the result. This is our result. Now let's install this. Select this card container. Come here. Let's install this card container. Card container. Card container. Give width of 100 pw and don't give height. And come here inside this card container. Card. Give width of 350 pixel and give height of 250 pixel and give background color and this color is blue. Look at this. Let's come card and give display flex and write justify content between. So justify content center. Give flex direction column and align item center. Here you get this. Let's give padding. Give padding of 15 pixel and inside this card and slip paragraph and give text align center. Here you get this. Let's decrease this text. We have this. Let's give gap to the card. Inside card give gap of 10 pixel. Here you get gap. Let's change the color of this paragraph. Write color and let's write gray and manage this color. That's it's okay. Let's write this height fix pit content. Yeah, looking nice. Let's keep adding up and down 20 pixel and left right 15 pixel. Let's 25 pixel. It's looking nice. And let's keep box shadow also. Box shadow and 0 pixel, 20 pixel, gray. Let's write black. Box size, box shadow. Yes, interior box shadow. Now we get this. Let's make this 50 and decrease this color. This. Let's write border radius. Border radius of 7 pixel. Just looking nice. Let's come again in the main tag and write flex direction column and edit this flex direction column and instead of this write align item center. Yeah, looking nice. Again come here in the card container and give padding top of 50 pixel and only give padding top and down 50 and left and right also 50. It's looking nice. Let's come here and let's give title like zone. Yeah, we can see this come here and copy this card 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's edit. Then Adam Smith and write Ben. Let's check. This is our card. Let's come here in the style and inside this card container write split flex and flex wrap. Let's see. As we get this, let's keep gap of 20 pixel. Looking nice. Let's come here and make our menu card. Let's copy this and write W in going. It's looking nice. And come here again in the card container. Let's keep justify content center. Now get this. Now let's make this source feature using JavaScript. Now come here inside this body write script src write script script.js. Again control N. This will create JavaScript file. Now come here.
Let's select card first. Write const and write cards document dot query selector all and select cards. This will select all the cards whose class have this card, and after this write const and write source is equal to document dot query selector and write input. This will select this input tag and come here and write source dot add event listener and write key of and write comma function and open this function, and inside this write const and source text is equal to source dot value dot to lowercase. After this come here and write cards dot for each and inside this write card and it's equal to open this arrow function. Now inside this write const title is equal to card dot query selector and h2. This will select each h2 from here. Come here and dot text content dot to lowercase. After this write if this title dot includes source text, then only card dot style dot display equal to empty, else card dot style dot display is equal to null. Let's come here and check our result. Let's write name like John. Not working. Cards. Sorry, here card. Let's go. Let's write John. Now you can see it filter and sorts like write Adam, mm, John, Jan. Right, let's write Goin. It's working totally fine. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can leave comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.